Hello there and welcome to the Crutch series. In this video, we're going to take care of the delete function. And to be able to program the delete function, we are not going to create any new data variables or any variables for that matter. We're going to borrow from the variable we created for the update feature. And simply, we're going to map the ID from the current ID which came from the previous page. Let's see how to do that. First things is, let's go and check the variable and go to data variable. So we do have a variable. Okay, let me actually change the name to UPDE. That's what is there as per our design. So let's have that. And let's go back to view. Click on the delete function, open the logic canvas. And as you can see, we have an event with component tab automatically programmed for you. And in this case, we're going to use a functionality to delete record. So let's bring in the delete record feature and simply connect these two components. Now we have to program the delete record component. As you can see, the first thing is to connect the resource. It's already connected to the customer's entity. Since we have only one entity, it's directly connecting to that entity. If we had many entities, you would choose it. And the next is to actually tell the delete function which ID should I go and delete from the database or the data entity. And that information is contained in the parameter PID. And that's basically the information coming from on which record the user clicked on. Okay, let's click on ABC, go to data and variables, go to page parameter and PID. That's it. That's pretty straightforward. And in this case, let's also have a toast message. It's basically going to say something after the successful completion of this task. So let's say done or something like that. And let's say save. All right, it's all good. That's it. So let's try this now. Let's say that I want to delete. Now let's say I want to delete the Dan contact from my database. So I'm going to simply click on Dan and then I'm going to simply click on delete. As you can see, it shows done at the bottom. So this is the toast message which we enabled. Now let's go back to the home page and see if the Dan contact is there. As you can see here, there is no Dan. Great. So that's the delete feature. So now we have seen all the operation in the CRUD feature set. That's great. Now this is a very useful skill to build, to know how to create, read, update and delete information from your permanent data storage. Now we can take care of the UI piece. So in the next videos, I'm going to take care of the look and feel and also some UX, where we're going to make sure that there is a toast message and make sure some other features are built in for smooth user experience. I'll see you in the next video.